Here's a smart tip on how to duplicate an object or an image in CorelDRAW. So traditionally, we know you're supposed to select an object and press Ctrl D, and you will make duplicates as you go. But now there's another tip that you can use. Just hold on the Alt and then F7 key, and then the transform tab will appear. So with it selected, I can choose the first option, and that's the position. And then from here, you can set the distance. So that's the height and the width. And then you can select the number of copies you have. So right now I work with 4. And then you click apply, and then it will form 4 other copies of that using the distance that you set. So you can also change the angle from over here when you're making those duplicates. So the other option is the rotate option, and this is where you change the angle. So let's see, let's do 65 angle. Let's put some distance over here. I want 3 copies, click apply, and that's it. So right here, I was not that intentional with the distance, so you have to put a little bit more distance, but you can see the rotational aspect that's happening over here. So if I'm to actually do that and add more copies to this, you can see I'll create this intricate new design. So we have those options that you can use over here, and you also have tricks where you can use your mouse, the left mouse key, to duplicate. So with this selected, I can left click on the mouse and drag it to somewhere where I want to duplicate it. Then hold down the right key button and then release both of them. Now if you've seen, if I hold on the right key button, I get this plus icon. That means it will add to that duplicate. And if I release it, we've got a new duplicate over here. Another way you can do that is to just right click directly onto the object and then click and drag. Then select copy here, and you have a duplicate. Let's try again. Let's try with this one. Right click, click and hold, then release it. Select copy here, and you can see you've made a duplicate to that point. Lastly, another way you can do that is by you left click on the object, you drag it to wherever you want to duplicate it, then you click on the spacebar. Now that will place a duplicate, and then you can go ahead and do that more and more and add to the duplicate. So I'm just dragging, I'm still holding on to the left key button and then pressing the spacebar key as I go. So go ahead and try those options and see how they work out for you.